Goa Miles app-based service to our tourists. I think you must be aware of lot of things. You know even how it is benefit to our tourists, to our taxi owner, and also to promote tourism industry in Goa. I think our Goan people are, most of them, they know the importance, they know the benefit of this service. But some people try to take undue advantage of creating this issue with our taxi owners, taxi drivers. Those are, I mean, these people are from our Goan brother. I want to request them, this particular thing, we are completing in coming August 1 year. The numbers what you have started with just 55. If you see today, it reaches to more than 1,500. All are Goan. No one is outsider. And day by day, if you see, the trips what we are taking into consideration, accountability is there. In month of first month, it was just 1,400 trips. If you see the record of December 2018, it was reached to 14,000 trips. If you see just December 2019, it gone up to more than 20,000 trips. That means June 2019. Sorry, June 2019. It shows people like this service. That's why not only number of trips, but number of these our taxi owners, they are joining this Goa Miles. And remaining, those are there to whom we are misguiding with some other intention. We will, particularly being a chairman of this GTDC, just to give good service to our tourists, those are coming, not only the Indian but outsider. I am just requesting them, whatever things are there in your mind, just leave it. For trial basis, you join this Goa Miles. At least for one month, you take the experience, see what is the benefit is there, what is the benefit to a driver, what is the benefit to our owner, which helps not only the driver and owner of that particular car, but it helps it greatly to increase tourism industry in Goa. If we try to satisfy our tourists, definitely this link not only with the tourist taxi business, but it link with whole circle like hoteliers, restaurant, shack owner, everyone. That's why I'm just repeating and appealing, just requesting my all brothers who are in this business to help us to promote tourist industries. One scheme is under consideration. We have already discussed, our Honorable Chief Minister discussed the benefits by which we are going to give through government by way of subsidies. Even those my brothers are unemployed, for them there is very good scheme we have framed to give them financial assistance to purchase any vehicle with subsidized rate. Not only that, even some subsidies on insurance payment, even on health, not only the driver or owner, but even for their family. Scholarship even, because many things are there. Aim to do all such things is to create, to increase and to save name of Goa, to increase the tourism industry in Goa, to give better service to our tourists and to increase whole thing which related tourism industry in Goa.